Hey Glue Troopers, Max of Max's Models here. Short video, or first a reminder, we have a live stream tonight. We're going to be talking about the difficulty, at least start off talking about the difficulty in researching some of your models, some things that I stumbled onto while building the Yamamoto Betty Bomber, and that'll be an example, but I'm sure we'll jump into other stuff as well. Also, I want to give a huge thank you to two Glue Troopers. First off, Eric over at Celebrating Vintage Model Kits, who sent me these two little Beach 18s. We'll probably talk about them in more detail. One of the original Comet Super 18, and Aurora later got the molds and re-released it in a slightly smaller box. The Comet kit was white. The Aurora kit was silver or aluminum colored, but that's really the only difference other than the boxes and the instructions. We'll go into more detail about that. Also want to thank Eric for this vintage United Airlines captain's hat, which is now on display here. And that's a neat little artifact. I collect a few airline artifacts, and you know, it's a funny thing is that I'm sure that hat could, if it could tell stories, would have a lot of cool flying stories to tell. So thank you for that, Eric. I appreciate it. Also, I want to thank Mr. Sabo, who sent me a couple of the Air Racing Air Cobras and some new draw decals to go with them. So I can do one as the red one and one as the yellow one, and I will get started on those as quickly as I can. I have a bunch of race planes up here that need some love and attention, so I need to get on that. Okay, well, that's what we have for right now. We'll go in more detail later about it all. Guys, you have a wonderful day. Hope to see you at the live stream, 7 p.m. East Coast time, which I believe is currently 2300 Zulu. You take care of yourselves, and as always, model on.